Creating a blog post with an embedded sign-up form. Hey there everyone! Previously, we showed you how to transform a whole website into a landing page to capture email leads. And in this lesson, we are going to expand on that by showing you how to add an embedded sign-up form to a blog post. Creating your embedded sign-up form. Alright friends, so the first step here is to create your embed sign-up form. For that, go to your email marketing service dashboard to get started. In our case, we're going to start on our MailChimp dashboard. From there, we will click on Create Campaign. Then we will click on the Sign Up Form option on this new window. Next, we're going to click on the Select an Audience menu button, and then we'll select the audience where we'll save the leads we collect through this form. Then we will click on Begin. This will generate an embed code that you can add to a page on your website to show a sign-up form that looks like this, complete with submit fields, a call to action, and a submit button. Before we move on to the next step, we are going to customize the stock call to action text in the form title field. Once you generate your embed form code and customize the call to action, copy this embed code and save it somewhere like a notepad file. You're going to need it in a moment. Creating a blog post. Okay folks, now it is time to create a blog post where you can embed this sign-up. This strategy works because blog posts engage visitors and encourages them to consume more content from your website. And the easiest way to do it without visiting your site every day to check whether you have posted content is by signing up to your mailing list, which they'll be able to do right in the blog post page through your sign-up form. For this example, we'll be using WordPress to produce a blog post. Some steps may vary if you're using a different content management system. Okay, so let's get started. If you're using WordPress too, go to your site's dashboard, hover over the Post tab on the sidebar menu and click on Add New. Creating a blog post is quite an easy task, and all you need is a good content idea that is relevant to your niche, writing skills, and knowledge of search engine optimizations. You can always pay someone else, such as a freelance writer, to create blog posts for your website if you don't feel confident enough about writing them yourself. Here's the basic structure of a winning blog post. Start by composing the headline. The headline has to include your target niche keywords and an actionable phrase or question to encourage people to click through. Another trick that works is to add a number at the beginning of the headline. This works if your article can be divided into entries. For example, 5 lessons, 5 tips, 5 hacks, and so on. Now you are going to compose the content below. The basic structure of the article is first an introduction, which is a 100-word or less summary or description of the content. Next is the content. To help your blog post reach high search rankings and show on top of results pages, create content that is between 1,000 and 2,000 words long, that is well redacted, and that is free of spelling and grammar errors. If you're creating a numbered article, make sure to divide the content into numbered entries, like this. The headline and content are ready, so let's add the final touches. First, click on the Tags tab in the Documents menu and enter your tags. Next, click on the Featured Image tab, and then click on Set Featured Image to upload and insert a featured image that will appear below the headline on the blog post page. Adding your embedded sign-up form. Okay, we're done creating the blog post, and now it is time to add the embed form. The best practice here is to find a good spot right in the middle of the article where you can insert the sign-up form. Doing this will help you show your sign-up form to people right when they're showing interest in your content, and also right before they reach the end of the article, at which point they're less likely to convert. So what you'll do after locating this spot in the middle of the article is to open a space between 2 entries. Next, you're going to click on Add Block. Now you're going to click on the Formatting tab and then on the Custom HTML icon. What you'll do now is simply paste your embed form code into the right HTML field. You can click on Preview to see how your sign-up form will look inside the page, and voila! There you have it. Publish the blog post. And now that everything is set up, Click on the Publish button, and then confirm. That'll be it, folks. You can click on View Polls to see the sign-up form in action, and you could even test it by submitting your sign-up info.